To perform an oil change at home, you will need the following items: car ramps, 11/16 ratcheting wrench, screwdriver, oil filter wrench, oil filter, oil, plastic gloves, eye protection, and cardboard. I have these items linked in the description box below that are compliant with the 2022 Mazda CX-5. First, drive your car on the ramps so you can get under the vehicle to get to the access panel. Next, using a screwdriver, remove the 4 screws from the access panel.
Then you just ply it out from the corners like this. They pop out just to access to the little drain bolt and the filter. So right now it's a little hot.
Using the 11/16 ratcheting wrench, loosen the oil drain plug.
I already cracked it open, so now you can spin it with your hand. So let's start right here. It's gonna come up pretty far like that. Yeah, make sure to have some kind of
Eye protection.
Yeah, protection and some cardboard on the floor, because then you're gonna stain your driveway if you don't.
Next, loosen the old oil filter with the oil filter wrench. Unscrew.
And you're gonna have the same thing, a bunch of oil coming down, so be ready. It won't be as much since most of it is empty, but you're gonna have a good amount coming down, so like that.
After the oil is drained, you are ready to install the new filter.
Some cases you wanna pre-fill it a little bit so it doesn't start off dry, you know. There you go. You wanna at least fill it up to 80% or a good amount. Enough to make sure it's not gonna come off again. You don't want to overstrip it either. So that's good. You want to replace the little metal gasket or a gasket that goes on here, but this one doesn't seem that bad, worn out at all. So I used the same one, but you can always replace it if you want to. If you fill up the vehicle with new oil and you start off for 10 minutes and you see a leak, then you have to replace the washer on there. So washers and nut washers, what it's called. You get your ratchet with your I think 11/16. Just tighten it a little bit. Okay, just half a turn on there. Whichever time, and boom, good to go. Now I'm gonna go up.
After the filter is secured, pour in the new oil. Now the oil change is complete, and you can screw the access panel back onto the vehicle.
So with these, you have to pull them out to squeeze the top. So they're able to go in the hole. So if you put them in like that, they're gonna be spread out. So they have to be squeezed. Boom, and then it stays in there.
Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful.